All right, so I need to remove this trunk panel. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a panel popper. Basically, you want to insert it into this round hole until you pry it open. And once you get the front out, you can just pull it out. So there's also another one down here. Peel back the trunk panel and then the trunk liner, and then you're gonna be able to see the brake lights. There it is right there. I'm gonna use a piece of paper. You simply rotate it, I believe it's counterclockwise on this side to loosen it, and there's the bulb. So here's a tip on how to put these back in. You want it flared out or open like this, and then insert it in here. Okay, see how it goes in, and just press it. Now it's locked.